Okay.
Bam. Oh, all right. Hello. Good morning, everyone, or afternoon, evening, wherever you are. We're doing another coding battle today, this time with the second most scariest guest we've had so far, Circuit Breaker.
I swear I'm
Circuit
not that
Breaker,
scary.
can you please introduce yourself, please?
Um, I mean, this is the second time, but hi, I'm Circuit. I'm currently a CS major. I'm about to graduate in this coming May, and I used to, I guess, not really anymore. I used to stream like variety game content and some like art and stuff, but not that much coding. But this is kind of my opportunity to.
Yeah, she's currently actively interviewing for jobs too. So she's at her prime in terms of the coding skill, probably. Oh
It's not
yeah.
looking good.
Also, how is your Eevee week going?
Oh wait, for Pokemon Sleep,
Yeah.
unironically, I think I caught a terrible bug and I sent in a request because my Snorlax is doing this thing where like it'll have the animation where it goes to the next level,
Uh-huh.
and then you reopen the app and it's gone down.
What? Hit the
Yeah, so
grades
I've
and
been at Master 6 for the past 3 days.
oh wow. Boo-hoo, I'm on Master 6. I've never gone past Master 2. Wait, so when does it keep going down? At what point does it start going down?
I think it's like it resets the progress or something. Cause like I'll cook a dish, like my normal like cooking, it gives me like 50K, and that'll normally boost me up a level or two.
Mm-hmm.
And then like I'll collect my berries and it'll maybe boost another level. And then like I'll go to another menu, not even just closing the app, and then I come back and it's back to what it was like all the way in the beginning. Like
Dang, that really sucks, man. You're still
yeah.
getting to Master 6, so that's still really good in my book.
Yeah, I'm still getting EVs, it's fine.
Yeah. A lot of people are saying on Reddit that they aren't seeing a lot of EVs at all, but I'm getting some like every day, but they aren't that good.
I got two without the incense yesterday, so I don't know.
Yeah, I got two one day too. I haven't used any incense so far, but the EVs just aren't very good. None of them have like scale trigger M or S, which kind of
Hmm.
sucks. Oh well. Are you ready to start the coding battle?
Yes, sir.
All right, do you want to do the
Just trying
honors and
to
do a
stop watching
countdown?
them.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Okay, 1 hour. All right, I'm good.
All right, you want to count down?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Good luck, see ya.
Yep.
Bam. All right, we are alone, boys. Let me unshare my screen. Oh no, this freaking circuit breaker. Okay, okay. There is a snake in an n by n matrix grid and can move in 4 possible directions. Okay, each cell in the grid is identified by the position grid is equal to. What the frick is this? Each cell in the grid is identified by the position grid ij is equal to I times n plus j. What? What does this mean? Hmm. Is that actually its value? 2? 0 times 2 plus j. That makes no sense to me. The snake starts at cell 0 and follows a sequence of commands. You are given an integer n representing the size of the grid, and in an array of string commands where each command I is either up, right, down, and left. It's guaranteed that the snake will remain within the grid boundaries within its movement. Return the position of the final cell where the snake ends up after executing commands. Okay, n equals 2. Commands equal right down, right down. Oh shoot, that's not that bad. N is bounded. Commands is less than 100. Command is only up, down, up, right, down, and left. Snake will not move outside of its boundary. So we don't even need to do bounds checks. Shreya says, do you know any type of hacking? Nope, I'm just a software engineer. Is it just me or is this really easy? So we basically just parse the commands, right? And move up and down, and we update the indices as, you know, necessary. But what is this? IJ? Each grid is identified by the position. IJ is equal to I times n plus j. What the heck does that mean? I don't get what this means. Is that how you just compute the number here? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is 0, 0, right? 2, 0 plus 1. I don't get it. Output is 1. Why? Gabriel says, hey, hello, I'm up against circuit breaker right now. I'm so screwed. N is equal to 2. Output is 3. Okay, maybe we can worry about this later. Let's worry about calculating the end square first. 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, sure. So I feel like we just need to process all. We track our row and column 0, 0, right? And then for every command, we increment it somehow. Okay, yeah, let's go. So int row is equal to 0, int column is equal to 0. Okay, and then we need to process all the commands. For every string command, do it OOP way. I feel like that'll be too slow though. Commands. Okay. Let's do should we do a sanity check? Make sure we're actually processing all the commands correctly. And then bogus value return -1 for now. Run. Write down. Okay. So, okay, is this just a bunch of if statements? There's only 4 possible commands, right? Up, right, down, and left. Right, down. Okay. If command dot equals case 1 is only right, down. Okay. Up, right, down. Up. What happens if we move up? The row minus is right. Row minus. Else if command dot equals right, then if we move right, the column plus, right? Column plus. Else if command dot equals left, column minus. EOP. Me and my homies only use a switch case. Oh yeah, we could probably use switch. I'm more familiar with if else though I think switch would be slightly more efficient. Else if command dot equals left, wait, right, down, left, oh, equals down, that's the last one, then row plus. Yeah, okay. And then let's just print out what the end row column is, and then we'll worry about the result later. Let's print out the row at the end, plus a space, plus the column. Okay, we're at 1, 1. Write down. Okay, that's good. Next example is we're at that's oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, the nightmares are coming back. Jesus.
Look, okay, there are Leetcode medium problems, and that means we're both just gonna get stuck at some point.
Hopefully. That's what all I can wish for.
I mean, it took
See
me
ya.
longer to understand what the problem was than actually doing it, to be honest. Like, this one was like, huh?
That's true. Alright, see ya. No, Circuit Breaker got first blood. Again. Freaking hell. Am I spending too much time sanity checking? 0, 1. 0, 1, okay. And then we return what? Return row times n. What is n? Oh, n. N plus j. Plus j. What is even n? N by n matrix, okay. I feel like that's all you do, right? I can comment this out. Oh. Plus column. Run. There we go. Yeah. Okay, maybe I'm not as screwy as I thought. Find numbers with even number of digits. Given an array nums of integers, return how many of them contain an even number of digits. Isn't this really easy? Is it my imagination? 12. Oh, never mind. Never mind. I'm just looking at the examples. Return how many of them contain an even number of digits. An array nums of, oh, 12 contains 2 digits. That contains 3. Okay. Oh, wait, never mind. This is easy. Hold on. Or is it? 12 and 7, 8, 9, 6 contain an even number, so 2. Okay, there's probably some clever trick to do this, but off the top of my head, I'm just thinking of going through every single number, converting it to a string, and then getting how many characters there are, the string length. Three says, I mean, this isn't easy. Yeah, I'll probably just go with that solution. Oh, hi, Gersimran. Hello. I saw your comment, by the way. Thank you so much. Okay, int result is equal to 0 for every single int num in nums. First, we need to convert it to an array, right? I mean, string. String s is equal to num plus, empty string. If s dot length mod 2, like remainder divided by 2 is equal to 0, then result plus plus, and then you return result. Is it my imagination, or is this way too easy? There's no way that this works, right, on submission. Am I going to actually overtake Circuit Breaker? Hold on. There's no way I got this, right? Oh well, no mercy, no mercy. Yo! Ho ho! Lexicographical numbers. Man, we intertwined. Lexicographical numbers. Given an integer n, return all the numbers in the range 1 through n, sorted in lexicographical order. You must write an algorithm that runs on O of n time and uses O of 1 extra space. 13. Oh, that sucks. Hold on. This is a medium question, huh? O of n time and uses 1 through n. O of n time and uses O of 1 extra space. Huh. Huh. Lexicographical order. So basically alphabetical order, right? So 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Wait, I don't get it. What happened to like 2, 0? Does this count as... Oh, okay, fine. Huh. 2. N equals 2. 1, 2. Should I just skip this for now? Given a zero index integer array nums having length n, you are allowed to perform a special move. Wait, what? Zero index integer array. Wait, hold on. Minimum cost to make array equalindromic. You are given a zero index integer array nums having length n. You are allowed to perform a special move any number of times, including 0 on nums. A special move any number of times, including 0 on nums. In one special move, you can move the following steps in order. Choose an index I in the range 0 to n minus 1. Okay, basically in bounds. And a positive integer x. And a positive integer x. Add absolute value nums I minus x to the total cost. Change the value of nums I to x. What's total cost? Change the value of nums I to x, okay. A palindromic number is a positive integer that remains the same when digits are reversed. Okay, yes. An array is considered equalindromic if all the elements in the array are equal to an integer y, where y is a palindromic number less than 10 to the 9. Return an integer denoting the minimum possible total cost to make nums equalindromic by performing any number of special moves. Hold on, what? An array is considered equalindromic if all the elements in the array are equal to the integer y, where y is a palindromic number less than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can make the array equalindromic by changing all the elements to 3. We're changing it to all the same stuff, equal to integer y, where y is a palindromic number less than 10 to the 9. Positive integer that remains the same when its digits are reversed. Oh my goodness, what? So in this case, 11 is a palindrome. Man, that kind of sucks, man. What? So these are all fair game to use. Oh my goodness. Y is a palindromic number less than 10 to the 9. Oh. We have to worry about palindromes too. Three, which is palindromic number. The cost of changing the rate to 3 is 3, 3, 3. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. What? Nums I to x. Oh, okay. The total cost is the distance I'm moving, huh? 1 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3. 4 minus 3 plus 5 minus 3 equals 6. 1 minus 3. Hold on, what? Oh, change the value of nums I to x. So we're trying to find, okay, I'm starting to see how this works. I don't see the algorithm though. How do we do this? How do you even determine which one is the palindrome to go to? Okay, let's put out some dumb ideas. What if we take like the average of the numbers and then try to find the palindrome closest to there and then set that. Set it to that. 22. Are there any hints here? Find the median of the nums that you're sorting. Ah, good hint. If the length is even, we can select any number from 2. Let's call it m. Okay, but we have to make sure that's palindromic, right? My facial tracking just ended for some reason. Come on. Okay, now it's back. Are these all guaranteed to be palindromic numbers? Okay. Hints, please. Try the smallest palindromic number that is larger than or equal to m. Larger than or equal to m. And the largest palindromic number that is smaller than or equal to m, if any. Okay, these two are the candidate values. Okay. We can use math constructions to construct 2 palindromic numbers. What? Or we can do a brute force by starting from m and checking smaller and larger values. Oh my god, it is also possible to generate all palindromic numbers using recursion. Oh, I hate this so much. It's the generating the palindromic numbers. I'm not too sure how to do that. These two problems are actually kind of difficult. You know what? I'm going back to lexicographical numbers. Sorted in lexico. Okay. In the range 13. Hold on. Java lexicographical sorter string. Compare to ignore case. String. Wait, yeah, can I just convert them to string and then sort? Arrays.sort. Can I just convert these to string literally? Hold on. I have an idea here. Can I literally just convert all the numbers to string and then sort it? Okay, let's try it. I don't want to go through the trouble of like generating like every element in the index, every index of the array of characters one by one. That's too hard. Okay. Okay. For every int I equals 0. We can also probably try priority queue, right? I heard for some applications priority queue gets close to 0 one time, but it's not guaranteed. Well, I is less than or equal to n I plus plus. Okay, and then we put them onto an array. Yeah. String array. Oh my, this is such a stupid idea. String nums is equal to new string with size n. N plus 1, I suppose. Man, what am I doing here? 0 all the way to less than n. Oh, hi Marissa, hello. No need to apologize for not being in streams. I appreciate you coming. I'm up against Circuit Breaker now. This is so nerve-wracking. Jesus. 0, okay. So, wait. 1, well, I is less than or equal to n. Okay. And in the string array, I just add nums I is equal to I. Well, the index is -1, right? We start at the 0th index. And then we do this for string concatenation. Let's return null as a bogus value first, and then let's print out what our nums is. System.out.println nums. I'm so screwed if this doesn't work. .toString nums. Okay. All the way to 13, yes. 2, okay. And then we do arrays.sort nums. Hopefully that should give it in lexicographical order. Yeah, it does, okay. The thing I have to worry about now is runtime though. It might be n plus n log n runtime, which is not good. We return a list of integers, okay? So list integer result is equal to new array list integer. Sure, let's do that. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than nums.length. We get every single number in nums and put into integer, converting it back into a integer. Okay. Int int the current number is equal to nums get I. Okay. Is it integer.parse? Integer.parse int. Hold on. Java string to integer. Parse int. Okay. Result dot add num. Let's print out what the array is too. Result. Okay. Okay, again, I'm really worried about runtime here. I mean, that looks right. Return result. Man, if this submission doesn't work, I'm kind of screwed. Frickin'. Let's freaking go! How? How do they accept this solution? That's crazy. Yeah. Dang, bro. That's crazy how they accept that solution. Yeah, it sounded way too easy to me too. Shiny lemon. Because I'm thinking the way they want us to do it is to make an array of characters, right? And then, generate it one by one, each element in the index. Yeah, that's such a hassle though. It's such a hassle. Well, at least it works. Okay, now this I have less confidence on. Oh, okay. Okay. Again, we want our goal is to make a given array equalendromic, this weird thing they made up. If all the elements in the array are equal to the integer y, where y is a palindromic number less than 10. Okay, and then we have to return the cost to make it equalendromic. Okay, let's break this down into smaller steps. We need to figure out what the target palindrome number is. And apparently, according to the hints, we need to find the median of the numbers. And then our two candidates are the first palindrome bigger than it or the first palindrome less than it. Try the palindrome number that is larger than or equal to m, and the largest palindromic number that is smaller than or equal to m. Okay. So first things first, let's find the median. Let's find the median. And then let's find the palindrome numbers. I have no Jay. Sanjay says hello. Hey Jay, how you doing? I have less confidence that we'll be able to do this, but if we take it step by step, we have a chance. So first, let's find the median of all these numbers, which involves sorting at first. Arrays dot sort nums. Okay. And then we have to find the median. I'm just going to trust that arrays dot sort works. What's the median? What is the median? Int median index is equal to nums dot length divided by 2. I think that's a good way to do it. And then int the actual median is equal to nums median index. Should we do a sanity check if we're computing the median correctly? System.out.println nums median. Okay, and then let's return a bogus value called, I don't know, -1L for long. Okay. Array out of bounds. Median index. How is the median index out of bounds? Index 13 out of bounds for length 5. How? What? Okay, it's a good thing we're doing this sanity check. 13 out of bounds for length 5. Nums.length. What? Nums.length should be 5 divided by 2 is something like 2. Oh, wait. I'm putting out the wrong thing, median. I see. Okay, median is 3. Okay, fantastic. 13, good. 22. Okay, that's fine. Okay. What if there's circuit breaker submitted? Oh boy, this is gonna get really tight. Wait, median is also. Wait, what's the median? What happens to the median if there's even numbers? Do we take the average of the first two, of the middle two? Median for even length lists. The average above. Okay, that's the average. Circuit breaker did not get it. Okay. Okay. Dang it. So if nums.length divide by 2, the remainder is equal to 2, meaning it's even. Then we do this. The median index is equal to this divided by 2. Oh, wait. So if it's odd, then we do this whole shtick over here. Circuit breaker submitted again. That's kind of scary. She has to be doing the manual way, right? Of incrementing every index. Median index. Median. Okay, what happens if it's even? What happens if we divide by 2? Like 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1, 0, 1. So we just take that and the next number. Okay. Okay. Sounds like either somebody who took drugs or something that can be understood terribly wrong. Yeah, I remember you saying that on one other stream too. The use me or no use me thing. Okay, so the median would then equal be me or num's median index plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, and then let's print out the median. Actually, let's set median to an outside thing. Median is equal to -1 at first. And then let's set these accordingly so we can always have access to it outside. Yeah, okay. Okay, take this out and then print it under here. Circuit breaker submitted like twice now. 3, 13. Okay, is there a way we can input our own test case? Like, yeah, okay. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that a good way to do it? Let's do 4 and then 5. So the median would be 3. Yeah, okay. Run. I feel like that's wrong. Median index will be 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1. 0, 1. 2 plus 4 is 6 divided by 2. I don't get it. Wait, I don't get it. The out print ln median index. I cannot type today. Is circuit breaker gonna get stuck on like the third question like last time again? Median index is 2 for some reason. Why? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. 0, 1, 2. Do I minus the previous one? Minus 1. Three. Okay, perfect. We figured out the medians now. Now we need to print this out. Okay, we need to find the closest palindromes from like above this median and below this median too. Here, try the smallest palindrome number that is larger than or equal to. Try the smallest palindrome number that is larger than or equal to m. Larger than or equal to m. And the largest palindromic number that is smaller than or equal to m. Yeah, okay. Okay. Our mission is to find, yeah, the closest palindrome number to me Yeah, find the two closest palindrome numbers to the median and then try out their costs on nums. Okay. Okay. This is getting kind of messy, so I'll try to label it. Find median. Okay, find largest, find the next palindrome, basically. So for I is equal to, well, int p is equal to the median for now. And while p, I'm probably going to make a method called isPalindrome. Palindrome. Well, not isPalindrome, p plus plus. I don't really need to do anything in here then, right? And then here is find the previous palindrome. So again, p will start off as equal to the median, probably -1. That is smaller than or equal to m, or larger than or equal to m. Okay. And while p is not a palindrome, p minus minus. Yeah, okay. Okay, now the hard part. Well, p is not a palindrome, p plus plus. So when I exit out of here, p should be the palindrome we're looking for. Int next palindrome is equal to median. Okay, sure, let's take this out into outside the for loop so we can access it at the end. Let's take this out too so we can access it outside. Let's do previous palindrome. Okay, cool. Next palindrome. And then previous palindrome. Okay, now the hard part. We have to make a method called isPalindrome, which is like a Leetcode easy question, isn't it? So private is palindrome. Boolean is palindrome. And then we input a, what do we input here? An integer? Yeah, I guess it's an integer. Int. Sure, let's do I or num. And then we have to figure out if this number is a palindrome. Oh boy, things are getting hard. String. Let's convert it to a string first. It's equal to num plus just an empty string. Okay, how the heck do we tell if this is a palindrome? There has to be a two-pointer solution, right? Well, base case. If s dot length is less than or equal to 1, then automatically it's true. Return true. Else we do the two-pointer method where we start one pointer at the start and one pointer at the end, and we slowly bring them together, making sure that everything is the same, right? Okay, sure. Int left is equal to 0. Int right is equal to num dot, no, s dot length -1. Okay. And then we just slowly bring them together. If they're not the same, then we return false. If we make it to the middle, then we return true. Okay, so while left is less than the right, if s dot character at s, no, character at left is not equal to s.character at, right? Then we return false, and also we get through everything, return true. Man, I feel like this is a Leetcode question itself. Okay. Let's try running. Next palindrome, and then previous palindrome, we'll print that out too. Previous palindrome, run. Line 36, forgetting semicolon. Uh-oh, cannot find symbol P. That makes sense, I renamed everything. Previous palindrome, previous P, run. Oh, this doesn't bode well. Uh-oh. It's getting stuck on the palindrome search, isn't it? That's not good. Well, it's not a palindrome. Okay. Ooh. Test cases 3. Let's try some simple inputs on the palindrome functions first. Let's make sure our palindrome function actually works. So out.println is palindrome. Let's do 3. 3 should work, right? 3 should work. I'll call this palindrome test. Run. Line 45. Yes, we'll comment all this out too. Palindrome test is true. Okay, so why is this not working? Why is this not working? While is not a palindrome, next P. Yeah, why is this not working? I don't get it. Circuit breaker submitted again. Dang, she's submitting a lot. I think worst case, this is gonna be a tie here. There's no way. The chances I'm solving this are gonna be really low, and she seems stuck on lexicographical numbers. Find next palindrome. I actually don't understand this. What do I do here? Is it because I'm screwing myself with the confusing for loop here? I don't know. While is not a palindrome, next P. Then next P++. And then we print out next P. We're still going through an infinite loop. That's not good. Where's the infinite loop coming from? It has to be from is palindrome, isn't it? But then the median is straight up 13. We're getting it on 13. 13 is definitely not a palindrome. Should we print out what palindromes we're trying out? Okay. Oh my frick, I know what's wrong. We forgot to increment all these pointers. No. Left plus plus, right minus minus. I am dumb as heck. Run. No. Yeah, okay. Next palindrome is 3. Perfect. 22. Perfect. Okay. Well, that was a dumb issue. Man, I keep doing this. I keep forgetting to increment on my pointers. Find the previous palindrome. Okay, let's run all this. Next palin, previous palin. Good. This is an example, right? Yes, previous palindrome is 1122. Yes, that's within. Yes, okay, perfect. Perfect, perfect. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. I see all of the solutions are all in the candidates. Okay, that's good. Oh, okay. Next up, we need to find the cost of each one. Okay. Okay. The minimum cost. The minimum cost. Okay, so we're going to make a function called find cost then, and then we're just going to return the minimum out of the two options. Okay, private long find cost. And then we're going to input, what are we going to input? The array nums and the median, aren't we? The median. Median, yeah. Okay. Long total cost is equal to 0 L. Okay. I see the light. There's a chance. We have a chance. Okay, what's the total cost? Nums I minus x. Okay. For every single int num in nums. Okay. Total cost plus equals math.absolute value, the original number minus the median, right? And then we return total cost. I feel like that's it. Okay. I'm gonna first do a result is equal to math.minimum, find cost of the next median, next palindrome, comma, find cost the previous palindrome. Oh, she did it! Hey, let's go, you got it, woo! It's watching all four of you.
I skipped this one to work on the equa palindromic one, and then I just came back and I was like, okay. And I just did
Yeah,
it.
same.
Are you also stuck on that last one? That is like, I'm looking at these test cases and it's like, how are you getting this number?
Oh, yeah, I didn't know how to do it at first. The hints were pretty useful for me. There's like 4 hints at the bottom of the question. Yeah.
Yeah.
See ya. Okay, so sounds like I have the lead right now. Let's print out the result first. Yeah, so it sounds like she has like no idea what to do right now. And I'm starting to have an idea. Oh, this should be a long, isn't it? This should be a long. Cannot be applied for given types. Really? Really? Find cost. Math.min doesn't work for longs. Wow, really? I have to do this manually? Okay, fine. Int cost 1 is equal to find cost next p. Int cost 2 is equal to find cost previous p. So one of these should be our solutions. One of these should be our solutions. Let's just print out what the next p is first, or cost 1, and then cost 2. Cost 2. That should be long, right? Long. Run 57. Why? Cannot be applied to given types. Find cost. Next p. Oh. Oh. I have to input the list, don't I? Nums. Run. Tay says, my best friend. Can you prepare a group? Your YouTube channel is Dar Discord page. I want to join you. Oh yeah. Yeah, as Marissa said, I have a Discord linked. It should be linked in the description of this video too, in this stream, and also my bio too. Oh, did we get it? 6, 11, 22, 6. Oh, did we actually get it? So return min math.min cost 1 cost 2. Please let math.min work for these for longs. Oh, double return statements. I feel it. We're getting really close. Let's freaking go. We're probably gonna get time limit exceeded right now. Well, looks like I won. Let's go. Hey. Oh. Oh, what a battle. I'm gonna wait for circuit breaker though. Let's see if she can time me. Oh. Man. It actually passed even though I have all these print statements here. What happens if I remove all these print statements? It's still 20%. Oh well. Sure. All right. I wonder what circuit breaker is up to. Yeah. This particular problem, I don't think I would have gotten it without all the hints at the bottom here. Like, I would not have known that, the target palindromes would be the median, and then the palindromes, we have to try the palindromes directly above me or directly below me. I guess one idea I did throw out in the beginning was take the average of all the numbers and then find the closest palindrome to it, but yeah. I wonder why the median is the best solution instead of the average. Marissa says, Chet, in the meantime, you're waiting. Can you check the Discord? There's something new in it. Oh, is there? Fan art. A and memes. POV. Chet doesn't find a solution. Oh my goodness, it's a
Chat, it's
cat.
over.
Oh. Oh, hello. Yeah, I just finished.
4 minutes to
How?
spare.
4 minutes to
So you
spare.
and I submitted at the same time, right? I would have also passed if not for the fact that I forgot about integer overflow.
Oh my goodness.
I set my cost as a int instead of a long, and I was getting a negative number despite using an absolute value. I was like, huh?
Dang.
Oh my
Man, you're
god.
always having trouble with like Java, like what are these called? Primary data
I
types?
don't even know. It's just like that was actually really close though.
Yeah. Holy.
Because if
Oh
not for
wait,
that long thing, I would have like passed the same time as you.
yeah. Last time you struggled with imprecise doubles. This time
Last
it's
time I
longs,
spent
huh?
like 15 minutes on double division.
Wow. Wow, what a battle, man. I did not think I would be completing all four questions when I was reading the
Honestly,
last two.
yeah.
Um, yeah, do you want to go over our approaches to the questions?
Sure.
I can,
You want to start
maybe I
from the
can,
top, I guess?
sure, okay. I can share my screen. Bam. Oh, bam. Okay, snake and matrix. What was even this question? This
It
was
was the one
nothing.
where you had to like calculate the moves. Okay, you and I did the same.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
basically parse all the commands, right? Convert them into
yeah.
matrix operations,
For
and
each
then return
command, like
that.
add or subtract from the indices, and yeah.
Yeah, my chat was saying we could have done a switch statement because it's technically a little bit faster, but eh.
I don't re Yeah, I was like, wait, I'm pretty sure I can use a switch statement, but I wasn't exactly like I don't really remember using switch statements with strings, but
Yeah, I rarely use switch statements too, so I didn't have confidence I was gonna type it well in one go.
mm-mm.
Yeah. All right, but yeah, this is simple. Parse all the commands, convert all the strings to row or column operations, and then return the last column. I mean,
Yeah, they give
yeah.
you a formula for the code, so that's easy too.
Mm-hmm. Find numbers with even number of digits. This was okay. I just went through all of the numbers and then converted them to a string with
Oh,
concatenation.
okay. You did it that way.
Yeah.
Nah.
What did you
I mean,
do?
that word, no, that is a valid strategy. I should have also done that, but
Mm-hmm.
I just kept dividing by 10.
Divide by
Like I
10.
manually calculated the number of digits.
Oh, the number of times you divide by 10 is the number of digits.
Yeah.
I see. That's a valid strategy too. I feel like they're I feel like for this question and the next question, they're expecting us to do like not string conversion. Um, so
I
that's
mean,
probably
hey,
the
it
answer
works,
they're
it
looking for.
works.
Yeah. All right. Sure. But yeah, that's how I figured out the lane. Okay. The next problem, you're probably gonna lose your mind over how I did this. You did it. I'm guessing you did the next question the manual way, right? Increment all the
Okay,
elements
no,
one by
I
one.
knew like yeah, I didn't realize. I thought like when I was first reading it, I thought the array was given, and I was like, how am I going to sort this thing in O of n time? And then I
Uh-huh.
looked closer, and I was like, oh, you just have to generate it yourself, which is kind of easy, I guess, because like one, 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 like you just add numbers.
Mm-hmm.
But like I didn't feel like doing it that way. I used, I literally switched to Python for this exact question.
Oh, how'd you do in Python?
So I manually generated the list, and then
Uh-huh.
I just let the built-in sorter sort it for me.
Oh my God, me too. Wait, I did in Java though. I converted all the numbers to to strings again, and then erased
Yeah.
that sort. Yeah. Wait, I thought because you took like four submissions on it. I assumed that you were doing it the manual way, like the way they were
No,
expecting to
no,
do
no.
it.
I was doing all okay. I did in order. Like I did snake first, and then I did even number of digits, and then I went to equipalindrome, and then I got stuck on a couple test cases because I was like, why is this doing that? So then I went back to lexicographical, and I just did that in like a minute, and then I came back.
Oh, so these four submissions, some of them were for the
Yeah, those
last
were
question.
all palindromes, minus the last one, I
Oh,
guess.
I see, I see. All right. Um, oh, I thought you were stuck on lexical over here.
No, no.
Wait, then
I
you,
just let the built-in
oh,
sorter. I was like, I cannot be bothered to do this myself.
dang. Oh, okay. Wait, then, oh, that's why you did the last one so fast. I was like, dang, just reading the
Yeah, because
hints,
I
you
was
did it
working
that
on that
fast.
most of the time.
Dang, okay. But yeah, lexical converted everything to string, sorted the array, and then converted back to list and returned it. Um,
Yeah, the other way was to generate the list like and sort it at the same time by doing like one, 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 two, one, three. But like
yeah,
that was kind of work, I think,
yeah, it sounded like a hassle to me too. I didn't want to do that.
for real.
Um, This one was pretty involved. I had like two helper functions. One to
Yeah,
find,
same.
one was to determine if something is even a palindrome, one for finding the
Mm-hmm.
cost. Um, yeah, the hints was like find the median and then find the palindromes directly above and next to it. And I use the helper function here and then find the cost of both of them and then return the minimum. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, the thing that screwed me up was the long in the end.
Wait, you figured out that you had to find the medium in the first place?
I kind of read the hints a little bit.
Oh, okay. Because
But like, no, the thing I got screwed
mhm.
up on the most was deciding which palindrome to use, because at first I only considered the one that was closest to the median, but that also wasn't
Mm,
correct. So then
well,
at some point
yeah.
I just
Hmm.
like you have to consider both palindromes, so that yeah.
Yeah, that was my solution, kind of, before reading the hints too. I wanted to find the average of all the values and then find the
Yeah, I
palindrome
thought it was the
closest to
average
it.
at first. I was like, wait, no, that doesn't make sense either.
Wait, hold on. Uh, wait, yeah, why isn't it the average?
I
Why is it the
don't know.
median? Oh, okay. Now you found out.
I wish I could tell you.
Hmm, I don't know. Is it because if there's one really big outlier, it throws it off?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, if it's probably if it
It'll
does
screw up
if
the entire thing.
yeah, if it's like one, two, three, four, and then a million, okay, yeah, that probably won't work.
Mm.
Okay, that makes sense then. I see. Cool. Man, what a battle. This was like really close. Jesus. Use 2 minutes difference. Dang. I think wow, if I spent even more time interacting with chat, I may have just lost.
I lost by 2 minutes because although I saw that the method literally returned along, I still declared it as an int anyway. So
No,
honestly, that's on me.
you and your primitive data types, man. All right, cool. Do you have anything you want to plug at the end before we go?
Honestly, not really. Other than this was like pretty fun.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it too. Yeah, again, you're like the second scariest contestant I've ever had. Um, I've I've actually made references to you in like I don't know a lot of other battles because no battle can phase me anymore after that
Wait,
one.
who's the first?
Oh, Neri, no. Um, it's probably not out yet. Yeah, it's not out yet. The last battle, he pulled a really bad prank on me. It was terrible.
Oh,
Yeah, I can tell you what happened. Basically, he basically pretended that he didn't know how to do anything until the end.
oh my
He
god.
submitted, he solved everything, but then he saved all his submissions until the end. So it looked like he had zero the entire
Oh
time.
my god.
Yeah, and then I started like feeling bad for him
No.
and working slower.
Oh no.
Yeah, because I felt really bad going up 3-0 or like 4-0, you know? And then at the end, he just came with the four submissions. It was very traumatizing. It was like just bam, 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 bam in the status log. It was like I almost couldn't process what was happening.
I mean, it's kind of crazy though, the fact that he managed to get it to pass every single test case without like submitting.
Mhm.
Probably tested on his own.
Yeah. Well,
Damn.
the run button runs some tests. Yeah. But yeah, my next video is probably going to be titled, like, I don't know, NASDAQ data analyst destroys me in a coding battle or something. Huh. All right. What a battle. Yeah, you don't have anything to plug, huh? You don't really stream anymore nowadays.
No.
Do you have plans to resume streaming in the future?
I do actually have plans to resume. It's just this semester in particular. Let's just say, I will be passing my CS classes. I don't know by how much.
I mean, your Discord thing says C's get degrees.
C's get degrees, but it won't
All
get me a
right.
job.
Yeah. Are you allowed to say what type of job you're going for? Wait, you might have answered this already. Just any job, huh?
Anything, I cannot be picky right now. Although, I guess, like, less broadly speaking, I have the best chance in, like, data analysis or, like, backend, because that's the stuff I've taken courses in, and the stuff my resume has stuff on, and the stuff I'm not completely clueless on.
Oh, okay. I see. Backend and data analyst. Oh, isn't CJ doing? Oh, I don't know if you know CJ. CJ's doing data analyst jobs too. Maybe you guys can connect and share some job tips.
Hmm.
Hmm. But yeah, good luck on job search. Um,
Thank you.
yeah,
I mean, you got yours.
I got mine really recently too. The frickin' Titanic chatbot. I've had lots of good memories with chatbots now. um, oh, I don't know if I ever told you. In an internship once, I made a JoJo chatbot. Have I told you that before?
No.
No? Oh, okay. So, let's see, where do I start? I once interned for a travel company. They have a chatbot on like their website, the lower right-handish corner, that can help you like book trips and cancel trips, stuff like that. So I helped them work on their reinforcement learning chatbots. I had some extra time, so I built a new function for their chatbots. I made a chatbot that recognizes JoJo references. So if you enter like Muda Muda Muda, it'll be like, oh, you've made a reference to Dio. Dio appears in Arc 3. Arc 3 appears in Egypt. Would you like to book a trip to Egypt? So that's like the business value because it makes trip recommendations based on the JoJo reference. And I got to demo it live too. I actually took live volunteers during the demo to make JoJo references. And then someone make someone made a reference I've never heard of before. And I was like, oh, well, this is it. I'm not getting the return offer. It's not gonna get it right, but it got it right. They said like Purple Hermit, and uh, yeah, I don't remember what it returned, but it returned the right thing. And I looked so good, and they gave me the return offer.
Nice.
Yeah, but yeah, good memories. I didn't take the return offer though, because COVID was at the peak at its time. The travel industry looked like it was tanking, so I didn't take it. Hmm. Um, yeah, I think I was browsing around on LinkedIn too recently. Um, I think that department was all laid off recently because,
Oh yeah, because all like I mean, even now like there's layoffs going off like crazy.
yeah.
It's not
Well, it's
looking too
not just the
good.
recent layoffs too. It's because they started using ChatGPT, no more reinforcement learning chatbots. So
Oh,
yeah, their jobs got automated, so it's kind of sad. Mm. But yeah, I guess it was for the best I didn't take the offer. Mm. Mm. But yeah, there's still lots of data analyst and backend jobs out there, though. I don't think that's automated yet. So good
thankfully.
luck to you.
Good
It's
thing
the
ChatGPT is not good with math.
yeah, it's only like direct applications, I guess, like actual chatbots that are being taken over. So far, at least I think. Mm. But yeah, good luck on job search. You definitely seem like you got it. I've been like
Thank you.
practicing every day, and you still almost beat me.
I mean, I guess interesting idea might be challenging a chatbot or challenging GPT to, I don't
Oh,
know. Yeah. Because I am
maybe.
curious whether it can do any
Hmm.
good.
Oh, I have an idea. Next time we battle, you type normally, I use ChatGPT.
Oh, that would be interesting.
Wait, really? I was joking.
No, I mean, low key, it would be kind of be interesting.
Circuit breaker versus ChatGPT. Huh. Okay. Well, let me know if you're down to do that. All right then. Thanks so much for coming. Let me know if you want the GPT collab.
Yep.
Yeah,
Goodbye.
everyone go subscribe to Circuit Breaker. Thanks everyone for coming too. Thanks Circuit Breaker for coming. What
Of
a
course.
battle. Bye. See you. Good luck on job search.
You too. All right. Bye, guys.
Have a nice day. Wow. That was such a close battle. I thought I had a good lead at the end, actually, but I didn't. I beat her just by 2 minutes. If I, wow. I thought she had just started the last problem when I told her about the hints. Jesus. All right. Thank you everyone for coming. That was insane. Thank you, 3 Prime. Thanks, Marissa. I know you're here somewhere. Thanks, Kotfe. Thanks, Shiny Lemon. Yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Probably not streaming tomorrow. I never stream on Sundays. Yeah. See you guys next week. Bye.